Hello guys, so welcome to the part 2 of our premise app discovery. And lately, a minute ago, I've saved something like this, the street markets. So you can actually save from the market into your to-do list. So let's do it. So this is how we do it. We take photo. So these are requirements for you to do, for you to give them what they wanted. So yeah, so here we go. We take a photo. Sorry about that. uh, okay, come on. So we're good. So we've taken a picture of the street market right here. If no problem, we'll be going on. So then we record location. So it's good, we're right there. So what's the name of this plaza again? I forgot. I think it's, let's put it, a Rizal Park. So we'll be making it until I think it would be good if we put it like this. Valencia City. Oh my. It got a bad typing platform though. So Valencia City Plaza Rizal will be good. Okay, let's go. So there will be surveys sort of after the pictures, taking of pictures. So yeah, so responsibly and honestly. So that's how we do it, like always, right here in Premise app. So right there, we're popping messages. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's good. So that's it. On how to do. Okay. So stay tuned on for more. This is my completed, and this is my money so far. So it increased since I got my money today. And yeah, I think that's all. These are the other locate, you can take pictures of it in any way we can. So yeah, that's it. So hello guys, I would take this opportunity to shout out and give props to my man. I would like to thank Michael Otara for trying to support me in the 7-Eleven, for we are trying to find butter and cornmeal, but there's nothing. I mean, there's cornmeal, but there's no price tag. That's why. Also, I would like to thank the driver of his car who stopped his car, and I guess he also spent gas for me. So yeah, I would like to thank him too, Mr. Mauricio Long. Without him, this video would not be possible. So yeah, props to my man. That will be all. Big head talking out. Peace, y'all.